Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. It's day 2 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got a cool prize for you today. But before we get to this, the gingerbread man went to the doctor and he said, "Hey doc, my knee is really killing me. Can you help me?" And the doc looked right at him and said, "Have you tried icing it?" On the second day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Wyze plug. That's right, we're giving 2 sets of these away, and each set has 2 Wyze plugs in it. Now, if you don't know what a Wyze plug is, it's probably the simplest way to get into home automation, because essentially you plug this into an outlet, you plug something into it, you download the application, and you can control it from your phone or your tablet, or you can control it from a smart speaker. Now, I love these kind of home automation products for 2 reasons. Number 1, I'm a nerd and I love this kind of cool stuff. And number 2, I'm pretty lazy, so if I can turn a lamp on way across the room, sitting in my couch and hitting a button, that's a good thing for me. Even better if I can yell at a smart speaker. So I've got this Christmas tree hooked up, just to give you an example. Now, if I have my smartphone with me, all I have to do is tap a button and the tree comes on. Then I can turn it off again. So think about all the stuff you can do over the holidays with all your Christmas lights and all the magical things you're going to plug in that you'll want to remote control. But even better yet, watch this. Echo, Christmas tree on. There it is, right there. Takes a second because it's going through your electrical system and it's got a Wi-Fi connection. But anyway, Wyze is a company that I fell in love with a long time ago. They're a company that builds a lot of really cool technology, smart plugs, switches, they make lamps, they make bulbs, they make all kinds of cameras. And what this company does is try to build cool technology that's less expensive than other companies' products, and they've done a phenomenal job. And I started with the Wyze Cam, I think 3 years ago or so, and I've bought every product they've got. I've got the Wyze vacuum cleaner, I've got a ton of Wyze plugs all over the house. I just love the company. But anyway, today's contest is for 2 winners, and you're gonna get 2 plugs per winner. And the way you enter the contest could not be simpler, just like with all these contests. If you check below, you'll find a link. Click that link. It'll open up a form. You can put your email in there. We're not going to spam you. I'm only going to use it for the contest. But we'll collect all those emails, and after 7 days, we'll pick a winner out of that group. I'll send you an email just to get your address so I know where to ship these, and we'll send them right out to you. And again, there's no strings attached. I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Cucamonga. I'm not even sure that's a place, but I'm going to use it again because I used it last year, and a lot of people thought it was a funny name. It's probably a beautiful place. I shouldn't pick on it, but Cucamonga is a lot of fun to say. Cucamonga! Anyway, we're sending these out, so enter the contest. And again, I'm having so much fun putting these together. Every year I look forward to this. We start getting October, November. I'm thinking, oh, the 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas are coming up. I'm so excited. So anyway, we're going to go through a lot more of these clips. Now again, I ask every time, if you've got a joke that's Christmas related, not a blue one, try to keep it clean, but if you've got a Christmas joke, please drop it in the comments below, because I'm looking for new material. I'm telling you, I'm running out of good jokes, and if you've got a good one, put it down below. We'll definitely use it in a future clip. Plus, I love laughing, so when I'm reading those comments and I find something funny, it kind of brightens my day, and that's all we're trying to do here, is to brighten your day a little bit by giving back to the community that supported us so well throughout the year. So we really appreciate everybody watching the channel, subscribing, commenting on different things, and we've just had a lot of growth this year, which shows me that we're doing something that you guys are really enjoying, and we're going to continue it into 2022. So the last thing I'll say is, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that Drone Valley icon down there. I'm not doing this to drum up support for the channel, although it's nice that our subscriber count is growing. But if you click that, you'll get a notification, because I have 10 more contests coming, in addition to the big mystery box we're giving out just around the Christmas time, so you don't want to miss any of those. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll get a notification when we put a new clip up, and you can rush over here and enter that contest as well. Plus, if you subscribe to the channel, we have a whole lot of really cool stuff we're going to be reviewing this year that you're not going to want to miss. So join the Drone Valley family. Just have a lot of fun with the rest of us here. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, happy flying.